Hey guys, I'm going to talk about how much money you need to get into real estate. So the short answer is you don't actually need any at all. There are ways to get into real estate with no money, literally starting with zero. Now, the money you do need, but this doesn't have to be your own, is first of all, if you're putting a deposit down on a property, you need to come up with the deposit money. So that could be anything from $500 to $1,000. I've tied up multi-million-dollar properties with just $1,000 deposit. Now, if you don't have this cash, you can go and get a personal loan, you can get a credit card with cash advances. If you're gonna make a couple $100,000 or whatever it is on a property or a project, it's worth paying 12 or 15% interest and getting that money from a personal loan or a credit card, whatever it may be. So that's one way, or some amount of money that you do need. You got to come up with the initial deposit. Now, the other money that you may need, you're going to have to spend some money on lawyers to prepare contracts. So you might need maybe $500 or $1,000 for that. Similar sort of instance, if you don't have that money, you can go and get it from personal loan, credit card, borrow it from a family member, tell them you'll repay them back with interest. The other one, or the other expense that you may encounter early on, is if you're looking at putting the purchase into a company name, well then you're going to need some money to set up a company. That could be $600 to $800, or if you're a company in trust, that could be a couple of thousand. So they're the minor expenses you need to get started. Once you've got the property tied up, if you then are looking at on-selling or adding value, you need to factor in those costs as well. But same scenario, you want to be leveraging by using other people's money to doing deals. So whether that's the bank's money, family, investors, you just got to make sure that the money you're leveraging and whatever the expense is, it's all going to be worth it at the end. So you need to make sure you do your due diligence early on in the piece. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like. If you want to know some more, love to hear from you on questions that you've got. Thanks guys, have a great one.